Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, it is entrepreneurship of class 11th. Today, let us know that what is the role of micro enterprises in economic development. Last day, we knew the difference between the micro and macro enterprises. Today, so far as the micro enterprises are concerned, I told you that they have a vital role in the economic development of the developing countries, especially India. This the development, economic development in India, it could not be dreamed if the micro enterprises would not have been there, because India had already some of the industries, domestic industries, on the basis of which they could survive. During British rule, these were only the micro enterprises who could give survival to the Indians. So far as the present economic development is concerned, these micro industries have a vital role to play, because when we say that the economic development is basically, it is the per capita income. द पर कैपिटा इनकम यानी हर फर्द की जो आमदनी है उसमें इजाफे के लिहाज से हम इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट को डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं कि एक शख्स में उसकी ज़ाती आमदन में कितना इजाफा हुआ, तो इसी को हम किसी भी मुल्क की इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट कह सकते हैं. सो व्हेन वी से माइक्रो एंड स्मॉल एंटरप्राइजेस, they have vital role to increase the per capita income. Ultimately, it is the result of these micro and small scale units which could increase per capita income in India. In India, these micro and small scale industries which could generate the employment opportunities in India. Naturally, what happened that this per capita income grew in India, and ultimately it was the reason for our economic development after 1950, when we started first our these growth in our small scale sector. These are human skills, manufacturing activities, or when we have these village industries or the industries located in small towns, they lead to the increase in per capita income, and ultimately it becomes the way out for the regional development in India. Every region, it could develop only because of the small scale sector, because when we say the metropolitan, these cities, big cities, in big cities, the large scale and the medium scale industries, they were required as these micro and small industries. They have their existence only in the remotest areas or in the villages or rural areas in India. So they are the reason for the economic development in India. So just we can quote the example that how the small scale sector proved to be the indicator for growth in economic development. If we see during the different plans, if we see the latest plan, 1998 and 1999, during this year, the number of units produced by this small scale sector, they were 31.21 lakhs. 31 लाख यूनिट्स प्रिपेयर हो गए, तैयार हो गए, मैन्युफैक्चर हो गए इन स्मॉल स्केल यूनिट्स में. तो प्रोडक्शन जो है वो कितना हो गया, 5,38,357 crores. This was the production. 5,38,357 rupees. crore rupees, 5,38,357 crore rupees. It was the total production by the small scale sector in 1998 and 99. And during this period, the employment created by the small scale sector, it was 175 lakh. So 175 lakh employees or the workers got employment in the small scale sector. While as the exports produced, because exports they have a vital role in the economic development of every economy of every country. So Indian this micro sector or the small scale sector, it could export the products valued at 57,488 crores यानी 57,488 करोड़ रुपया की अशिया इन स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज में तैयार हो गई. सो दिस इंडिकेट्स दैट what is the role of the small scale sector in economic development of India. And it started just in 1950. Just I told you that in 1950 it is this starting point was 31 lakh. It was 16,000. It was 16,000 in 1950, while as it reached 31 lakh in 1998. यानी 1950 से लेकर 1998 तक यानी 48 साल में इसकी जो उसने कितने यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस किए, इसमें इंक्रीज कितना हो गया, वह है 16,000 से लेकर 31 लाख तक. इसमें जो इस स्मॉल स्केल सेक्टर में यूनिट्स की तादाद इतनी बढ़ गई है. इससे हम ये बात जान सकते हैं कि कितना इंक्रीज हो गया है हमारी प्रोडक्शन में, हमारी एम्प्लॉयमेंट में इस वक्त के दौरान स्मॉल स्केल सेक्टर में. सो दिस और वी कैन से दैट इट वाज 1973 टू 1974 यानी 1973 से लेकर 74 तक ये जो है हिंदुस्तान, इसमें पूरी कंट्री में जो कुछ ये जो इसका प्रोडक्शन जो था वो था 57,488 करोड़. मैंने आपको फिर 57,488 करोड़ ये 1991 और 99 में था. जबकि अगर 1973-74 की बात करें इट वाज 393 करोड़. 393 करोड़ से लेकर अब जो इसकी ये जो एक्सपोर्ट जो है वो 57,488 करोड़ रुपीस बढ़ गई हैं. यानी ये जो है 35 साल में कितने इसकी एक्सपोर्ट्स बढ़ गई है. इस लिहाज से हम कह सकते हैं कि इसका जो इजाफा जो है दैट इज़ सेटिस्फैक्ट्री so far as the employment opportunities are concerned, production level is concerned, these units produced by these small scale units, these are concerned, or we can say the exports, although we don't expect it a lot from the small scale sector as they are just working with the latest technology. They are using domestic technology. They have not heavy amount to purchase the foreign technology. Even then the exports they are satisfactory as compared to the small scale sector. So we say that small scale sector, it has played a vital role in economic development in India, while as it had not sufficient amounts at their disposal, and they have not this modern technology to produce the good quality of things. Even then this performance of small scale sector in economic development or in the creation of or generation of per capita income, it was satisfactory. So I think this is enough for today. Thanks.